Hey guys, today we are working on a 2016 Huracan Spyder. Dave convinced me to buy a new steering wheel for the car.
What are your friends for?
He said I'd be the one paying for it. Somehow I got suckered into it, but came in, looks pretty cool. Suede with the red stitching, whatever this dry carbon look is pretty cool. So we're gonna go ahead and take the steering wheel out of that car, swap the guts into this thing, and put it all in there in under 5 minutes. I'm kidding, it will never happen. It'd be cool though. Should we undo the battery?
There's the battery right there.
But they were saying you can't get to the negative terminal.
I just need to take the positive terminal, the negative terminal right here, right? To the 10.
Yeah.
Let's go to 10.
Reach it?
Yeah.
They were saying you can't reach it, but maybe there's go.
Battery's coming off, baby.
Battery's off. Let's find out.
Yeah?
I don't know.
Oh, good. Yeah.
Huh?
Nice.
Let's leave this thing in here.
I got it.
We got it.
There we go.
High five.
Lane jävlar va?
I don't want to break.
Bro, inte ännu mest då. See this shit? Push it in and pull it out.
It's too short on the thing.
You want me to do it?
I'm about to tell you yeah here in a second.
Out. Get out.
There's more.
Yeah, one there. One, two there.
One there.
Let me just pull it with my hands. See that? So borderligt.
Okay. There's the airbag.
I want to put the steering wheel straight so we don't, when we take the steering wheel off, the green came out. Okay. So with this guy, these things we have to push them in and pull out. So you push them in to go to basically you're unhooking it from the steering wheel. You just got to push these things in for it to slide out. That was it really. The wiring, you pull these little guys out upwards, and then these things come out, and then you got, these are all horn buttons, and they have these little thingies right here. You push on those and they slide out. That's pretty much all it is.
Too big?
Too big?
And what was that?
I don't know, about to find out. It's a special Audi Volkswagen. It's like a 12-point hexagon tool. No, I didn't mess it. Okay, there it goes. It came out, but no, I pulled the green thing out of it, which I didn't need to. Actually, I did. Okay, cool. That's the harness. That's the airbag. Someone give me a gun. Give me a yellow gun. What do you guys take the D-walls for?
You know what you do is you got a Sharpie, you can mark the splines.
I'm not putting this steering wheel back on, bro.
How much is this steering wheel?
3,000. Alright. Could have bought a Honda Civic. Alright, let's swap parts over. Dang, it's a tiny little T.